Hi friends, welcome to my channel Magical World. I'm yours Subi. Today I'm going to talk about an interesting topic, hiccups. Friends, have you wondered where these funny noises are coming from? The part to blame is our diaphragm. Okay, do you know what is diaphragm? I will tell you. Diaphragm is a dome-shaped muscle at the bottom of our chest, and all hiccups starts from here. Okay, what is hiccup? Hiccups are involuntary sounds made by spasms of the diaphragm. Let me explain. Friends, diaphragm almost always work perfectly. Normally, when we inhale, it pulls down to help pull air into the lungs. When we exhale, the diaphragm relaxes and air flows out of the lungs back up through the nose and mouth. But, friends, sometimes our diaphragm becomes irritated or disturbed. When this happens, it pulls down in a jerky way, which means it can forcing you to suddenly suck air into your throat. When the air rushing in, it hits our voice box. That makes your vocal cord suddenly close and creating the different hic sound. Okay, why do we have hiccups? Hiccups can happen for a lot of reasons. Some of them are physical and some of them are emotional. Okay, what are the causes of hiccups? Why our diaphragm gets irritated or disturbed? Let us see one by one. Eating too much of food or too quickly. Drinking carbonated beverages too much. Feeling nervous or excited. Too much of stress. And next, sudden change in body temperature. Friends, hiccups. Once is funny, twice is hilarious, and anything more than that is usually just annoying. Okay, friends, finally, how do we get rid of hiccups? There is no proven treatment for hiccups, but in general, holding breath about 10 seconds, drinking a glass of water, swallow a teaspoon of sugar can help us to get rid of hiccups. Thank you friends. We will see you in our next video. Please like and share our video and also subscribe it. Touch the bell icon for more informations.